Again, guys, this truck was used for servicing pivots. That's what this rig was for. One of the infield, you know, they had a pivot go over. You can pick it up with the crane, work on it here. So with that cat diesel, the engine's going to last forever. It's got the 5-speed manual transmission. You can see, you can swing everything over, work right on the deck, set it down on the deck. You know, if you got a welding repair business as well, this truck would work really good for that. And these booms just extend out. You can see you can reach way off the side of the truck or even far off the back. Guys, we'll just step this off a sec from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 15 foot, 15, 20 foot back off the truck, you can reach with that pow finger. Again, you got your pintle hitch on the back, heavy duty hookups. You got your air hookup on the back as well. Got some good meat grabbers on the back here, guys. Now, it's only rear wheel drive. This does not have the front wheel assist for the tut hill, but again, guys, you can see there's no oil, nothing leaking off of this thing. It's in really good shape. It's ready to go to work.